guys, I want to tell you about my latest Amazon purchase, which are these laundry pods. I just got them and I'm really excited to use them. These are 4-in-1 laundry pods. They have a combination of detergent, stain remover, color protector, and a fragrance. So all 4 in 1. The laundry pods are super cute in design. You can kind of see there's like 4 different hearts. And I got the rose grape scent, which smells really nice on my clothes. Really easy to use. You just throw it in your laundry machine. So I'm going to put the laundry soap to the test. I'm going to wash my apron that is full of donut dough and grease. So we'll see how it turned out. Look at that. All clean with all the oil stains and everything. So they did a very good job cleaning up the apron and the rest of the load of clothes. So if you're looking for some new laundry soap, especially laundry pods, check this out on Amazon.